All right, Mr. Barr, once again. Topic, solving some advanced linear equations. We're going to add a couple new elements to these equations. You already know how to add to both sides, subtract from both sides, divide both sides, multiply both sides. We're going to throw a couple of other things into these equations today. We're going to throw some distribution in. Remember, algebra is just like a big pot of, I don't know, stew or gumbo or jambalaya. And I don't know the difference between gumbo or jambalaya. I've been to New Orleans. I don't know the difference. Okay, so distribution, remember I like to call it jumping the wall. This guy's jumping over and hitting it. Hitting it. That's going to give me 2x plus 8. Combining like terms, remember if I have 4 apples minus 9 apples, it's going to give me negative 5 apples. And the idea of the boom boom, that 2 negatives in a row, boom boom it, become a positive, so that would equal 17. These guys right here, those, if you see them, you're going to want to deal with those guys first before you start solving the equation, before you start doing the add to both sides, subtract from both sides. Before you start moving things around, you probably want to take care of these 3 ideas. So let's see if this makes any sense with the math. Here we go. What do you see? What's this? What is this just yelling at you to do? Distribution? Let's distribute. 2p plus 4 equals 10. Whoa, I'm off the screen. 2p plus 4 equals 10, and now I am ready to solve this thing. Let's solve it. Subtracting 4. 2p equals 6. Dividing by 2. P equals 3. We added one thing to it, a little distribution. Okay, this is interesting. This one actually looks pretty simple. There's one idea in here that I want you to see. Once again, I'm off the screen. Here's the equation. What do you want to do first? Subtract. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. It's going to give me 7 equals what? Negative c. This is not solved yet. 7 equals negative c. What number would make c work? If I put a 7 in for c, negative 7 does not equal 7. The opposite of negative 7, that's what works. So what we're looking at here, we can do 2 things. I like to divide by a negative 1 right here. Those cancel. My answer is really negative 7. That's what works. And let's see, does it work in the equation? If I come back here, negative 7, I'm using negative 7, let's come over. Excuse me. Negative 7. 12 minus negative 7. 12, you see the boom boom? 12 plus 7 equals 19. It works. So keep that in your brain. When you have that negative on the variable at the very end, divide both sides by negative 1. Oh, okay, here's a good one. Where's this guy? Right here. Yeah, what do you see? I've got 16 dogs minus 13 dogs. Or 16 dingoes minus 13 dingoes. Maybe the dingoes took your baby. Okay, 16 dingoes minus 13 dingoes. That's going to give me 3 dingoes plus 5 equals 8. Now can I solve it? Yes, I can solve it. Let's come over here. So 3d plus 5 equals 8. Subtracting 5 from both sides. Minus 5, minus 5. Goodbye, 5s. 3 dingoes equals 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Dingo equals 1. And can I check it? Yes, I could go back into the original equation and check it out. Let's check it out. Let's do it. Let's check it. What was this? We said it's 1. 16 minus 13. That takes me to 3. 3 plus 5, that equals 8. It works. Yay. It's our last one here. Here we go. Hey, somebody's come on in. Go. It's all right. Hey, we have a guest star. Come on. Come on. You got to be in the video now. You've got to be in the video. I'm almost done with this one.
Okay.
Here, sit right there. We're going to solve a, what are we doing? We're solving advanced equations. There you are. That's you. Okay. That's good. So we got a couple of ideas going on this one. See those two negatives? Remember the boom boom we talked about back on this page? Boom boom. Oh, she doesn't want to be on the camera.
I want to see.
Oh, you want to see? Oh, sorry. Okay. Where am I? So let's take care of those boom booms first. Boom boom. Boom boom. And now, what else do we see in here? Some like terms. What are those? That's negative 14 tomatoes and 19 tomatoes. I have 19 tomatoes. I eat 14 of them. What do I have? A stomach ache. Okay, no. She's laughing at my joke. No one else is. Okay, so 19 tomatoes minus 14 tomatoes. That's going to take me to 5 tomatoes. So I have 5 tomatoes plus 17 equals negative 13. And what are you looking at? A single step or a two-step equation, which you can do in your sleep by now. Subtracting 17 from both sides. Minus 17, minus 17. 5 tomatoes equals negative 30. Dividing both sides by 5. Tomatoes equals negative 5. And that was off the screen. There we go. Okay. That was better than the last one. Last one, what? I made like 5 errors in the last video. This was a good one. Okay, I'll see you in class. Bye-bye. Where's the stop button?